guys, so today is Friday, May 17th, and it is 12:53, and I just got out of school, and my mom and I are going to get our eyelashes and our nails done. I haven't gotten my eyelashes done in 3 weeks, and I get lash extensions, and as you can see, I look like a bald eagle because there's like 4 left on each eye, and my mom ripped all of hers out too. So today we're just gonna be going to get our nails redone and getting our eyelashes done, and I'm not getting my toes, but my mom's getting her toes done.
No, I made you an appointment for your toes too.
I don't want to get my toes done.
Oh, you need it.
So I'm gonna be vlogging our whole experience because y'all like vlogs, and that's what you want, so that's what I'm gonna be doing. The last time I got these nails done was for my transformation video, and that's when I got my eyelash extensions done too. So it's been 3 weeks and it is so bad. Like, these are extremely grown out and these are just empty. We are back at the infamous nails and eyelash place. They actually do a really good job with like nails and eyelashes. They're very popular. Student special, 10% up. I'm a student. Okay, let's see if they recognize me. They pretty much know who I am by now. Look at all these nail colors. I have no clue what I'm gonna get mine. I want to get orange, but so many girls at school copied me when I told them I wanted to get orange. So here is a before of my eyelashes. I'm about to go get them done. And obviously my eyes are gonna be closed and have to sit still. They're staring at me. I'll see you guys after. I'm getting my toes done. Say hi. Alright, so I wasn't able to film that much because obviously I'm getting my fingers done, which is how I record, and my toes done and my eyelashes. So here's the after of my eyelashes. They look so much better, longer, fuller. I love them. And then here are my nails. I just got like this light orange color. They're shiny and they're an almond shape like that, and they're very pretty. That's what they look like. Super cool, super fun and fresh. And then obviously I have my shoes on so you can't see my toes, but I just got white gel on my toes. My phone is charging over there. My mom is finishing getting all of her stuff done because she got everything that I got, but I'll give you an after of all her. But yeah, obviously since you can't hold your camera when you're getting your nails done or when you're getting your eyelashes done, I wasn't able to record that much, so I think I'm gonna turn this into a weekend vlog. So yeah, I think I'm just gonna vlog my entire weekend and put it up on this channel because that'd be kind of fun. Since it's Friday, the weekend started, and I feel glamorous now, and we're gonna continue this vlog. Okay, I'm gonna throw it up and you have to catch it. Okay, ready? You want me to do it? That was bad. Throw it up.
It's got a backup camera.
Oh, throw it up.
That means nothing to me.
It is now 6:30 and we're going to dinner, but I forgot my vlog camera, so you get to see it on my phone. Throw it back to the good old days. I'm gonna buy you a tripod for your steering wheel so that you can like vlog. A phone tripod?
No,
Yes.
she's not going to be distracted while she's driving, and she's not recording while she's driving.
That's right. Thoughtful, but no.
Oh yeah, she probably. Well, most YouTubers just sit down. I record while I'm driving with you guys in the car all the time. I wouldn't do it distractfully.
That's not true.
And that's not a word.
Distractfully is a
And
word.
that's not true. Period.
No, you
The
don't.
answer is
Period.
no.
If somebody wants to...
Juice.
I can't vlog.
Little bit of dressing.
Well, they all go to
wrist, little bit of flexing. Look at my nails. They look so good in my eyelashes. Okay, we're going to dinner.
We're going to Mangoes.
Cuban food.
Welcome to Mangoes!
Welcome to Moe's.
Not Moe's, Mangoes.
Well, that's what Mom said. It's like, welcome to Moe's.
That's what
Look at the lighting. Welcome to Mambo's.
Mangoes.
Oh.
It was Mangoes.
I thought it was Mangoes too.
Mambo's.
It's Mambo's, not Mangoes.
Why'd y'all call it Mangoes?
Premium sides. Garden salad, onion rings, mac and cheese.
I just spilled root beer all over me. Tostones and chicken, capri salad, tostones, croquetas, plantains, chicken, el pollo.
It's like, okay, I'm done.
A lot of driving.
She's like, oh my gosh. Can you hit the low? look like you're driving a car. Ready? Ready? No, you're supposed to catch it. You're supposed to catch it. Ready? I'm supposed to throw it up to you. You're supposed to catch it. Okay, ready? One more time. There we go. That was actually good. She went. She really tried to catch it.
Your mom is literal.
We are now in Kroger. I've never been to a Kroger before, but we're here to get candy. People are staring at me. Look at all this candy. So much candy. So Chase is looking for ice cream right now. And he's being really slow. So I'm gonna do this arm thingy where it like tests your blood pressure while he does this because it's taking a long time.
Are you male or female?
I'm a female. I'm gonna check my blood pressure. It's squeezing my arm. Can you see this? Oh, this does not feel good. Ow! Yeah, like really hard. Can you go look for Dad's candy? Ow! Hold on, it's releasing. Something went wrong? That was kind of rude. We're checked out of Kroger, and now we need our parentals. Parentals, they're on the opposite side of Kroger. Good morning. What's up? Good morning, y'all. So it is now Saturday at 11:03 o'clock in the morning. And I woke up at 8 o'clock this morning and I could not fall back asleep. So I decided to fake tan. I put some fake tan on and I shaved my legs. But look how pale my back is compared to my front. Like my back is so pale because I can never reach all the way back there. That's where we are now. I just got dressed and put on like a really simple basic outfit. But today we're gonna be going shopping. Basically, I'm working with a photographer very soon. And she's like a new photographer that doesn't shoot that much fashion and lifestyle photography, but she wants to get into it. And she says she wants to shoot with me to like gain her skill, and I'm like, free photos, free shoot, a new friendship, like that sounds so fun. So I agreed to it, and we have some shoots planned coming up in the future. We were supposed to shoot tomorrow, but then she couldn't do it, so that's all right. But I need new clothes for shoots like that, and also for summer because I'm sick and tired of my wardrobe. I don't really like to wear clothes more than once. Like I'll wear them more than once, but like if I take a picture on it in my Instagram, I don't like to wear it again. Obviously I still do wear it again, but like if it's a distinct outfit and you can tell that I've already worn it once, I don't want to take pictures in it again because I want like new stuff, you know? And I really like clothes and fashion, and so today we're just gonna be going shopping. My brother really wants to go to like Marshalls and TJ Maxx, so I think that's where we're going because that's where he finds clothes that he likes. I never really find that much stuff at Marshalls and TJ Maxx, but that's what we're gonna be doing today. This morning, like I said, I like shaved and tanned, but you can't get your eyelashes in extreme heat and you can't get them wet for 48 hours after you get them done. So I couldn't wash my hair because like I was too scared of it getting in my eyelashes. So I just washed my body in the shower this morning. I used the Jergens lotion tan, if you guys don't know, and it causes me to be a little sticky. But now I'm just gonna do my eyebrows a little bit. Okay, and I'm just gonna brush out my eyelashes. They look so good. Like I'm so happy with the way that the lady did them. The first time I got them done, I hated them, and now like I love them. Okay, lip gloss is on. Now let's go put some deodorant, perfume on. I know this is like extremely basic and nothing fun or fresh, but this is the outfit that I'm going with. It's easy to take on and off, so when I'm trying on clothes, it's good. I'm just wearing these super high-rise shorts, which are from Forever 21, and then I'm also wearing this green tank top, which is either from Forever 21 or Walmart. I don't know. I get tank tops from Walmart. This is my simple trying on clothes fit for today. Let's put some deodorant on. Whipping it up. Spray some perfume on this. Oh, I always do that. I always get it in my eyeball. Okay, let me figure out what I'm doing with my hair, and then I will get back to you guys again. All right, it's 11:15. We have my brother Chase, who's in the back, and my mom, who is driving. They got back from their soccer game. I put my hair up in a scrunchie that matches my shirt. Look, it's green, and this is green. We match. So we made it, and there's a TJ Maxx right there, and a Marshalls right there, and a Rue 21, which we're gonna go into too, and Avenue. I don't know. Basically, we have a lot of places to go to. It's so sunny, I can't even see. We're going to Marshalls first, and I look like an ostrich. Alrighty, so we are in Marshalls. I'm looking through the clothes right now. I found a few cute things that I'm very excited about. Just like looking through these because they have some really weird stuff and some really cute stuff. Oh, Dickies. These are really, really cute pants, and I love these. These are adorable. I love these. Well, the entire cart is filled up with my clothes. Sister shopping. Alright, so I have 10 options to try on right now. I'm not going to show you guys all of them, but I will show you a bunch, and we're going to get started because I have a lot of clothes. So this is the first one. It's a really cute romper, just red and like white and black stripes, but it is a little bit see-through, so I'm not going to show too much. This is really, really cute though. I like this one a lot. Okay, wow, this is very see-through. Let's just go like this. So obviously these two things will never be paired together, but these pants are super, super cute. They're just like long, flowy, and bohemian at the bottom, and they tie, and I really like them. And this shirt, obviously never with these pants. The shirt is really cute though. I just don't know how to wear it with, but like I really like the pants. The pants are like, ooh, like, ooh. I ended up only liking about 5 of the 10 that I tried on, so now I have 4 more over here to try on. A dress. I really like this. I think it is so cute. And then like a bodysuit, so we will see. We have a full cart. Chase, who's wearing shoes that are way too small for him. And now we're going to look at bras. Look at my new slides and all my mother's clothing. And this is for my dad. Dad, don't look at this. $105 later, we got some good. TJ Maxx, here we come. Not finding anything in my section. It's all like mom grandma clothes.
29 jeans.
All mine are mommy grandma clothes. Yeah.
In the juniors?
Yeah, and I don't like them. TJ Maxx ain't it, y'all. We found absolutely zero. Zip, zip, zilch. Now we're going into some random store that's in this plaza. What's the store called?
Warehouse something.
Warehouse something. I'm in this store called Rue 21. I never heard of this place before, but it's really cute. Look at this. Yes. Rue 21 has really, really cute clothes. Just spent $30 on new shirts, and I'm very excited. A lot of damage and a lot of money. Time to go to Chick-fil-A because I'm so hungry. We're going to Chick-fil-A, and it says Dwarf House, and look, it's literally like a tiny, it looks like it's for Snow White and her 7 dwarfs. Dwarf. Dwarf.
Dwarf.
Dwarf.
Not a dwarf.
A dwarf.
Dwarf.
How do you, dwarf?
DW. Dwarf.
Dwarf. Can we try this again? You're not supposed to do this. It's just like you like move your shoulders. You're like doing like I like to cha-cha.
And can I get a ranch, please? Ranch.
Thank you. You too. I left my reusable straws. I really need to get better at using those. I feel bad. Here's my Chick-fil-A lemonade. Oh, it's hot. Careful.
That's what I like. Don't burn your mouth. Camera.
Mom, last time I stood up, there's a spaceship. All American. All American. It is now 9:30 at night, and I never really got to say goodbye to my day. Basically, I got home and did nothing for the rest of the day. We got home around like 3-ish. Shopping was super, super fun. I got a ton of new clothes, and there will be a huge summer clothing haul going up on my main channel very, very soon because I got a ton of stuff, and I think y'all would love to see it. I already filmed the try-on portion, so I did do that, but I need to haul it and probably show some more things in that haul, so I'll probably show like makeup that I've bought and all that stuff. I wanna rock with you. You're supposed to finish a sentence. I wanna rock with you.
What's yours?
All night.
All night.
Okay, good night vlog. Good morning. It's 11 o'clock on Sunday, and we all woke up late, so we didn't go to church. My parents are getting ready to go to my brother's semi-final soccer game because he is good at soccer. And I'm eating bacon, but I don't like this part. Who eats that part? This is good. I'm very excited. Hey y'all, so I haven't really vlogged that much today, but it's basically because I forgot. Today I've done nothing but go sit at my brother's soccer games because he's playing a soccer tournament and he made it to the finals. And so right now it's like 5 o'clock and we're about to drive to his finals game. They played another game today at 12 o'clock in the afternoon and they advanced. So that's why they're going to the finals. It was 96 degrees out and so I got sunburn. As you can see, my face was a little red. But yeah, now it's 5 o'clock and we're about to go to their final game and I'm very excited. I didn't really vlog too much today. I woke up and ate a pancake and some bacon, went to some soccer games, came home, chilled, and now I'm going to another soccer game.
Gold now.
I can't open my eyes that wide. We are now in Quick Trip and we are buying Coke Ices. We're in Quick Trip. We just got out of camp soccer game. Now we're getting Coke Ices. Hey guys, so it's now Wednesday and I finished this vlog on Sunday and never got it up, so I'm gonna post it today. I just woke up from a fat nap, so sorry I look a little rough. I hope you guys enjoyed seeing a weekend in my life and me getting my nails done, my eyelashes, going to soccer games, shopping, all that fun stuff. Please don't forget to hit that big red subscribe button and you can also follow me on all my social media and subscribe to my main channel. With all that being said, I will see you guys in my next vlog and peace in the Middle East.